Today is we're gonna get on Unity. All right, we have a blank Unity thing here. We're gonna look at maybe this asset store, a couple other asset stores. We're looking for some free assets, and then we'll let's just go here, Google maybe like what if I type roll the dice? What if it? Oh, and Google even has their own. Okay, so we'll roll the dice. We'll pick some free assets here. So let's just sort it by free. There's 6,000 choices to pick from. All right, and I think this is really it. So we'll do some asset picking first. All right, let's make sure it's 3D, right? We want a 3D game. We don't want some wonky honky 2D game. All right, free, not $50, so that doesn't count. All right, so I'm just gonna pick a dice. Eeny, meeny, miny. Okay, let's roll for the first dice of 4 for the first dice of this one. All right, so pick this one. What's going on here? All right, roll. Why do we get so many dice? Okay, we just want one of these. All right, 3. So we'll go here. Don't count this. This is 1, 2, 3. The nature starter kit too. Looks nice. All right. So we're gonna get this nature starter kit. Let's look through it really quick. What kind of game can we make with this? Some kind of a fantasy forest game, or depends on what else we get. But it looks nice. 6 pushes, 4 trees. Let's download it. Let's see what we got. Not that big. What is it? 67 megabytes. Pretty big for what it is. Not huge, but got 5 stars. Very nice. Nature starter kit too on Unity Asset Store. Looks nice, honestly. Let's see what we can get with this. We might just use their default scene if they have one, which I'm sure they do. Nah, whatever that said. Who cares? Potentially ruining my entire Unity. I doubt it though. I never used the most recent version. I don't know why. It just automatically defaults to 2019, and a man likes to live in the past. I don't know about. I mean, it sounds depressing, but it's pretty true. I like to live in the past. My life was always better yesterday. No, it's great. Let's do this. This is taking a long time for 67 megabytes. Maybe I should have clicked. Yes, I made a backup, which wouldn't have done anything. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, all this stuff obsolete. Well, let's see what happens if I. Oh, there was obsolete. Use graphics draw procedural indirect. Oh man, this is gonna be bad. I'm just gonna open it up in Visual Studio, whatever the hell that's talking about. What does it say? Unity upgradable, draw procedural indirect now. Some kind of a function. If I just change it, I feel like I'm gonna break it. Let's just try it without it first. After all this shit breaks. Alright. What did I just change this to now? Now. Did that fix it? I don't know if I just broke it. Let's just see the errors only. I mean, yeah, I think it fixed it. And this one says change this to now. Alright. Why did I close that? Okay. So that's good, right? Alright, so let's go to what scenes they got here. They got the scene here. The demo. Well, that looks nice. Alright. So we got a demo scene here. Looks nice. Looks great. Honestly, it looks fantastic. I don't know how they did that. I wish I knew. That's pretty crazy. Well, this will be our scene for whatever game we decide to make. Alright. Looks nice to me. Let's roll the dice again. Let's go back to the asset store here. Alright. Okay. Go back. Go back. Alright, 3D. Hide purchase assets, right? Free. There we go. Okay, perfect. We can't get another environment. 7. Alright. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we got Space Robot Kyle. Well, that's cool. He's going to be a robot in the forest. Alright, and yeah, let's just get this guy. Pretty old asset, but hopefully he works the way we want him to. We got Space Robot Kyle here. Alright, we got the model here. Alright, let's see how that works, how he fits in here. Okay, he's blue. In the picture, he looked like a different color. What kind of animations does he have? He doesn't have an animator. No animations. Does he not come with any? I'm gonna have to get him some Mixamo ones. Alright. Let's just set him big. Just set him with the scene here. He really does not fit in, but it's fine. This scene. We'll pop him in here. I like the way he's looking. Maybe I can turn him towards the camera here. Yeah, we got ourselves Robot Kyle. Could be an NPC, could be who we play as. Who knows yet? Alright, so we got that. I like Robot Kyle. Alright. Back to the asset store. Switch back. Still got 3D assets. Hide purchase assets. What do we roll? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope, we can't do that. We already have environment. How do I uncheck environment? I'll just do this. Alright, let's try 8 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we got some low poly trees. Alright, gotta do it. It's not environment, it's just is it an environment? Does it count? It just does not fit here at all. I don't know. You know what? It's part of it. We gotta add a couple of them. It's okay. Maybe it'll look good with this post-processing thing this guy did here. This is crazy. This guy made like some kind of a Lord of the Rings type scene. Pretty insane. Let me just check the chat. Anyone's chatting? No one's chatting. That's okay. Chat it up if you'd like. Oh yeah, I gotta check YouTube too here. Just in case, just in case I got any fans. Come and check it out. How do I check my own? Oh, there it is. Oh, sorry, it's too loud. Let's give myself a thumbs up here, because that's how it is. Alright. Did we import the terrain? No, right? Alright. Oh, we already did. Where is it? What's it called? Low poly tree track. There it is. Let's just add there's a tree. Let's see how that looks here. We gotta raise it up. It's like all blue. Must be the post-processing, turning everything blue. Well, I'll just keep it out of the way or something. It's not maybe it's the great tree we talked to here. This one looks crazy. This tree, a little bit wild. We could just replace all the trees with this tree. I don't know why we would do that. Those trees look amazing, but let's put this one like up a little bit. We'll make it like a little blocking out something. All right, there we go. We're using that. All right, next thing. Let's see what else. What do we got? We got what's it called? Let me roll the dice here. Let's roll the dice. Let's do a 20 this time. 11. All right. Make sure we don't have any purchase assets. All right. We don't want vegetation. We don't want that. All right. And excuse me. 1, 2. What was the number? 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Easy FPS. Okay, so we're turning this into some kind of forest fantasy FPS. Animated hands and guns. Wow. Okay, so this is good. Easy FPS seems like it has everything we need. Let's watch the. Want to watch the video? No. No, we can't. All right. Well, it's fine. If I not figure out how to change the amount of bullets and ammo, hopefully I can. We'll see. All right, this is the entire game here. I think we just got the entire game. Easy FPS in the forest. So we're fighting robots, right? I mean, did we just have? Do we have our game now? Let's see. Let's see what's up. Let's see what this FPS pack has in it. It's got player. Nice capsule for the player here. Ruined everything, huh? Oh, because of the camera. We could just take the camera presets. HUD bullets. What does this camera have on it? Global fog, anti-aliasing, sun shafts. Wow. Let's just delete this player for a second. What if we just pop the player script on that? For the player, we got gun inventory. Alright. I mean, I think we got the game here. Let's just take all this. Get all of these crazy things here. What if I just, how do I copy all of these? Is there like a camera in here? Main camera. Let's move this main camera into there. Oh yeah, let's just unpack prefab completely. Put this camera here. And what all the stuff that's on this. Pop it on here. And just delete this one. And what does it already have the controller on it? What is this? This guy sucks. Okay. So we're gonna need to do some stuff here. I don't like this FPS. Let's see what kind of prefabs they have there. Where's the gun? The bullet? The guns they said they have. Weapons. Images. Model animations texture. Where's the gun? They said they had hands and everything here. There it is. Let's see what this is. Where is it? What's it looking at? What's this camera looking at? Why aren't you looking at the hands? You don't like what you see? Where's our robot at? There's the hands, so it's really not looking that way. Looking this way. In fact, the camera is nowhere near. Oh. Duh. There we go. We got ourselves a camera here. Let's see this guy here. Right, where are you at? Arms. Let me just delete this. Pop this on there. Another camera here. Let's just see how it looks. Alright. So if I pop it here. Let's see. Why is there a sword? Oh, okay, I guess you can have a sword too. What is this doing anyway? Alright, this is baloney. I hate this pack here. I'm just gonna delete it. let's just see what we got here. Alright, so from what I want, maybe we will maybe we will be Robot Kyle. We gotta talk to the robots. Right? Alright, so we're gonna be running through the forest. Alright, well it could be FPS, I don't care. Or maybe let's do third person here. Alright, Robot Kyle, you're the player. Let's do player. And we'll call him Robot Kyle here. We'll pop him at 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now we'll pop a Cine Machine camera on. Right now we'll pop this one on. And we'll just change it later. Okay. Robot Kyle. So the player's at the feet. That's good. Alright. Main camera is going to be up. Following Robot Kyle. Not an issue. Alright. It's like an RPG. Robot RPG. Robots are in the forest. I think that's good. Alright. It's a little blurry, huh? Guess that's this. It's pretty nice. This is really give that bloom. Color correction. Sun shafts. I mean, everything's doing something here. This is kind of a... Alright, well, we'll just keep it like this for now. Let's make a little third-person controller here. Alright. Third-person character controller. Alright, Robot Kyle. Let's see what you got. I wish that easy FPS one was good. It was just a bunch of garbage. Sorry to say, I wouldn't download it if I was anyone. But it said that guy said it helped him, so maybe I should have read a README or something about it. Let me change this here. How do I turn this into just... That's fine. You guys see this? Zoom in, uncomfortably so. Alright. Alright, so what do we need to do? Let's just start with it. Move the player. Alright. Okay, easy, simple enough. So we need input, so flip horizontal equals input, get axis, we'll do raw, horizontal, float vertical. Alright. Okay, so now I guess we'll get them the character controller here. It's huge. It's okay. Move it up to 1. Move it up to 10. Too high. Move it up to 5. Where is it? It's still too high, let's say. Let's say 4. Alright. Make it big. Make it tall. A little too tall. That's just a prototype. Alright, so we got our guy here. This is named Robot Boy. Let's make it thinner. Long and thin. Bring this down a little bit. Bring this down a little bit. Alright, and what do we need to do? Well, should we just have rigid body? Rigid body and move the character. Let's do that. Let me see what these are. 3.5, 0.9, 7.3. We'll do rigid body. This is what takes me the most, is just deciding on what to do every single time. Alright, rigid body. Capsule collider, and I don't remember what I just said. 3.5, 0.9, 7.2. It's long and thin. All right. Let's see. All right, and he's kinematic. So he can either be kinematic. Yeah, I think he's kinematic. Will be fine. I think that's what we want. So we don't have to freeze any rotation. He won't fall. But we want him to fall with gravity, right? So what we want is just freeze his rotation. Great. All right. This camera has got some kind of script on it to travel around the entire world, which is why that was messing up, I think. What's this? What's the script? Animator. In a world. All right, that's good. All right, let's see. So let's just move. We can move many ways. Let's just move this way. What is it? Transform. Not translate. Let's get this done. All right. New vector 3. Horizontal 0. Vertical. All right. Is that enough? Will that get you moving, Robot Carl? Let's see. Oh yeah, this is really enough here. We got Robot Kyle running through the forest like it's nobody's business. Do these trees have colliders? Yep, they do. All right, I mean this is good. This tree doesn't. We're gonna have to get rid of this. Well, it's fine. All right, so we got robots in the forest. Maybe maybe it's time to raise this camera up a little bit. Let's see. All right, we got ourselves a little Robot Kyle in the forest. Okay. Return. So we got movement. Alright, let's just movement. Do that. We can actually do. Let's just do it in fixed up. I know you're supposed to calculate it. Let me just do this. Should be good enough just for this prototype, right? Come on. We got the smoothing going on now. Now it's in fixed update. That's fine. Alright. I want to rotate the view. So what do we got? We got float mouse X equals what? Input value axis. Mouse X. Alright. Well, that same thing with float mouse Y. Alright, let's just do this. 1 second. I'm just going to smooth things out a little bit more. Well, I guess I could just. Let's just do it here. We'll do movement speed. Times it there too. Alright, so everything should be my movement speed. Let's get that here. And this is just a prototype. Let me just make all that public. We don't need to do a private public here. I just want it all in the inspector. Get it all done. If this game's worthwhile, we will remake it. We'll say 2. I really liked how fast it was actually, so Well, it's time.delta time now, so let's just say 2 right now. It's probably 5 is probably good. And we want a public float. Mouse sensitivity. So yeah, that's equal to what, 100 or something. I think that's right. All right, so then we'll do same thing here. Times mouse sensitivity. Do the same thing. And what? We just I know this is never right. We'll just try it. Let's try it. Do some kind of Euler angle or something. I can never even think about what's going on. So, oh, there should be a different script. Oh yeah, because we're moving the whole character like up and down. So, and I have it all messed up. Maybe like this. Now we'll fix it. The whole world is changing. All right, we're going so slow. Where's I going here? Change this to 10. Our mouse sensitivity is pretty high. I really like how everything's twisting. The world is turning around us. It's trippy. We're upside down. We are upside down. Alright. Alright. Well, let's just fix this. Baloney here. I don't know why were we not falling if we were upside down. But whatever. Something's going on. Let's just get rid of this. And see what happens. Okay, well, wrong one. Easy fix. I think this is good enough. Alright, we got ourselves going. We can go from place to place. Let's go. Let's set our speed a little higher. So we're running around the forest, maybe looking for other robots. Alright, so let's see. Robot Kyle. Let me just change your color. Where's another robot here? I wonder if we just copy. Duplicate Robot Kyle, pop him here. Move him around. We got another Robot Kyle over here. Give us quest. Alright, so this guy will give us a quest. Let's see if we can change his colors. Alright, here, nice blue. Robot color 1 here. Let's see if we can. What's going on? Oh wow, that turns into a big mush of robots here. I just want to change Robot Kyle. Alright, now he's Robot 1. We change the tiling. Okay. There's gotta be a way to change the color here. Okay, there we go. A little bit. Just change this down. Got a green robot. Flashes with the environment. We got a blue robot Kyle. We got robots of all different colors and sizes and shapes. Around we go. Maybe this one's sick. Robot Kyle, I'm sick. Alright, so we got the Adventures of Robot Kyle. We need to pick some berries or something. Alright. Kyle, I'm sick. I need you to pick some berries. And you go around, you pick the berries. One berry here. Got a berry here, alright. Berry here. 3 berries. He eats the berries and then we'll see what happens from there. Alright, that's the quest here. We have Robot Kyle, savior of the world here. Let's put this guy, let's just make him a Robot Kyle too here. So caps the collider. What do we just copy everything here? Copy. Paste the values here. Wow, this guy's completely different size than Robot Kyle. Here, let's just do 2, 1. Let's do 1. Let's do 0.2, 0.5, and we'll do 2. We got ourselves here. Robot, sick robot. Alright. So what's the quest here? We go over here. We're gonna push E to interact with this boy. Alright, so let's do interact script, right? Alright, so we got the movement going right. Let's do another script here. We'll interact, right? We want interact. I think that's good. Alright, I'm gonna do NPC. NPC. Alright. So let's do interact first. I'm just gonna be shooting raycast, right? Let's do shoot a raycast out of the front of our guy, right? So do update if input key code get key down key code dot e, and we're gonna do shoot raycast if interactable, then interact. Right, that's what we want. So let's do shoot the raycast here. So ray equals they shoot a raycast out of the front of your character. That's the real question. I forgot all about it. Okay, let's just see. This is the best part about programming: shoot raycast out of character. Yeah. Clear aim here. Seems like a interact point. Is that what's going on here? This is a third person. I don't even think I've ever made a third person RPG. Alright, so let's try it out. Interact point. We're gonna fire the ray from here, right? So where are you gonna be? Maybe so we're gonna shoot the ray forward. Come on. Okay, so what is this guy get? Camera screen pointer range vector 3. He's still shooting from the camera. I don't want it from the camera. Unless we have to. There we go. Shooting with raycast here. We went third person. I'm not trying to do first person shooting from the camera. That's what they're doing. And we want to raycast from our. There we go. Okay, drives my first main again. This is where you want your gun. Alright, here we go. Public check right here. So, okay, so we want the vector 3. Vector 3 forward, we'll call it. Okay. He says, under public aim object interact point. Alright, so we'll have an interact point, so we'll say interact point dot transform. Do we even need it to be game object? Interact point dot position. Interact point dot transform direction. Okay. Vector 3 dot forward. Okay. That should be that. Now we do we're gonna do a debug draw ray. Right. So I guess we'll see it. Cool. So we'll do interact point interact point dot position. And then we want forward. So I guess that's the direction. We'll do out. Do is he ever called a ray? Do you need it? Oh, let's see. Let's just call it hit info. I think we need to call hit info first. Yeah, we don't have one. Let's do a raycast hit info. Okay, let's say 50 is good to me. Oh, see, I mixed them too. So let's see, alright, forward times 50, alright, I'll do color dot green, so I guess this is going to debug the line, that's fine. Let's do red because, alright, maybe this will work. If I put this interact script on the player, pop the interact point there, alright, and let's see. Okay, yeah, it's going. I see it. It just goes away after 1 second, which is fine. Let's just see what's up. So we don't want it to be constantly shooting, do we? Maybe we do. So if we come up close, I guess if we come up close, then it'll start shooting, right? Alright, so we need a range, so public float range, right? We do interact range, which would be, let's make another little thing here. So let's do a sphere collider. I'll let it trigger, raise it up. We'll make it big. I'll like if we're this close. Right? So if we enter the trigger, should be around our guy. I think we should just do raycast. Why are we doing this? Baloney, I don't think it costs much to do a raycast. Let's just get rid of this for now. Okay. Let's see what we got here. So, should constantly shoot raycast. Okay. Alright, so it's shooting. Alright, so now we want the interact range, we'll call it, what, 5. this interact range. So if we're there, then we can push E. It's not even shooting out. The interact range is too small. No. Let's just turn it up. We'll see. Oh, because. Okay, so if we're this close, let's make this 3. We need to be right up on him. Alright. Okay. So we'll have that. Cool. Okay. So I like that. Interact range being 3. Right, so if we're close enough, then we will do if physics raycast. Okay, so this is the raycast here. We'll do the same thing, right? Interact point position. Okay. Then we do forward. Then we do what? What is this guy end up doing? Okay, then you do out and a distance out, hit info, and then interact range. I don't like how zoomed in this is. If I can zoom out, I don't know what happened now. I can't zoom out. Whatever. All right, interact range. Okay, so if that's true, then we'll just do. We'll check to see if hit info dot collider dot game object dot get component interactable. So if it does, then we're going to interact with it, right? Okay. So then if it's that, then we'll show interact text, right? And then if press E, then interact with interactable. Alright, this is bad code, but whatever. Alright. So we got this here. So if it's this, they're going to show the text. So let's do just do a little text mesh pro really quick. Alright. We're going to show the interact text. Let's do this first. Let's close it off. Why are they doing that? Let's just do this. Alright. So we show the interact text. Alright. Z. Up. Okay. So do this here. Let's public text mesh pro. It's just actually we don't need that. Public game object. Interact text. We just want to turn that on. So we just literally do interact text. Set active. True. Okay. Alright, so we set that active. And then, okay, so now when we have that, if input hit key down, key code E, we'll just do this. Make that into a really long name method. Wish I could zoom out. I'm so mad that I zoomed in the first place. Just go like I tell you to go. Alright, now we'll make because everything's so far over. Alright, we shoot the raycast. I'm not very good at the keyboard shortcuts of having everything going. Alright, so we're constantly shooting raycast. If the hit info is an interactable guy, then we'll interact with him. And if not, then it won't do anything. Okay. So we need some interact text. We need interact with interactable. Public. Let's just do private void. Interact with interactable. We'll say print interacting. Alright? Alright. It's a good start. Okay. Let's have that going. Interact text. We'll test that out. Let's just make something really quick. Go in the center, please. Centrifuge. Center, please. Okay, there we go. Let's go down a little bit here. Oh, whatever. Let's just go. Where would it even look good? Press E to interact. Needs to be longer here. Centered. Centered. And let's just make it centered again. Centered. Okay. It's too light, too dark, too yellow, too red. What color would look good? Not green. I'm not good with colors. This needs to be bigger here, maybe. We can add some. That's not a good color. Let's do white and black, maybe. There's an outline here. We'll do a little thickness. Underlay. Face. We'll soften it up. Dilate it here. There we go. Press E to interact. Make it big. Okay. Alright, let's see. Now we do interact text. Pop that in this. Making everything into one big script. I'll disable it for now. There's no, it's going to just stay enabled after we enable it, but let's figure that out in a second. Okay, so, oh, he's not interactable. Let's just put him interactable for now. Change you up. Okay, alright. We'll just do else. Will this be enough to just set it up, to set it off, turn it off after we leave it? Come on, show me what you got. So I have to go on something. Well, so if I go over here, it's like turns off like that. I mean, it's not the worst bug. We can fix that later. All right. Yeah, press E to interact. Now we're gonna interact with them. So, well, we should make this into like a. I think I got this. So, interactable. We're gonna do like a public virtual void interact. Right. That'll be like print with interacting with this dot name game object dot name should be good. It'll tell us what's really going on. Then we'll just do call I'm just thinking, will that do anything at all? Let's just try it. Okay, right, so then we'll do this interactable equals info dot game object info dot collider dot game object dot get component interactable. I'm thinking this will work. We just do like this. Let's see. Alright, so we got what's going on here. Okay, yeah, it works. Alright. Interacting with sick robot. Good. Alright. The only thing is this stupid interact text won't go away. I guess we could make it, but it's fine. Let's just finish this quick. Alright, so we got this interactable now, so let's just turn this guy into an NPC here. So this is interactable. Alright, and then it's public override void. Public override interact. It is void. Alright, so we have the base interact. So let's just try that out first, make sure that works before we go any further. Remove this and turn him into an NPC. Alright. Still works. Alright, cool. Alright. So now we will do what? Public or private void display quest text. So we want him to quest. Let's do public game object quest text. Let's do quest text. Let's do toggle quest text. The bool true or false. Alright, there's quest text. There's dot set active true or false. Alright, we're gonna toggle that. So now we'll just do like a actually set the info, interact. Too much. Let's just do this. Just one thing at a time, right? So quest text active true. Alright. So let's do quest text here. Let's say UI. Do a image here. It's fine. Make it big. Say, what color will you be? Just make it yellow for now. Like this. Alright, we'll do like a little text in it. Like a little game object here. Sick robot quest text. Pop this in here. Maybe do like a little text match pro. Let's invert these colors. Black and no outline, right? We'll make a title maybe like this. Okay. I need berries. Alright, so I need berries, right? Or help me help you. And that's the name of the quest. Alright, and then we'll do like another like quest name here. We'll duplicate that. Pop this here. We'll make this into the normal here. We'll be like, oh shit, it's okay. So these are linked in one here. Did that change this interact text? No. It's just this one. So there's another one. Should be good. Okay. Black. Check my. I haven't been checking any chat or anything. Alright. No one's really chatting. Oh, sorry, I haven't been playing chat. I didn't see you guys there. Yeah, we're just gonna make this RPG or whatever a little bit. Trying to make this good. Turn this down a little bit. So these texts, for some reason, are meshed together here. And you know what? This one is too. Screw it. We'll do our best here. Press E to interact. I don't know why it's dealing with it, but who cares, really? There's probably some simple explanation. Whatever. Alright, so I'll just say, since this is just trying to get this done, I'll say, I need some berries to settle my stomach. Let's set the size of this like that. Alright. Need some berries to settle my stomach. Sometimes robots have bad gas. Can you help me find some berries? I would be indebted to you forever. Alright, that's a nice quest here. Alright, that's a nice quest here, so you just turn this on or off here. Alright, so we'll just leave it off by default, no problem. This is going to be his little quest text. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens if I push E to interact. All right, we got it. We got it going. So let's actually disable this so we can see when we're close enough. Alright, let's go. Alright, I need some berries to settle my stomach. I'll put a button there. Should be good. Be like, here we go. Button. Do like, accept, right? That's the word. Say, accept. And then we'll do another one. Oh, this one. Accept button. Alright, we'll do decline button. Alright. Turn that there. Boom. Decline. Alright. Will you help me find some berries? Now we need some kind of a accept or decline function here. So let's just do what do we want? Game manager. Yeah, I think we do. I think it's time. Game manager. Game manager script. So we just do a quest manager. Quest log. I'm gonna try this first. There's a quest log, which will be a part of our boy, what's his name? Robot Kyle. So let's say quest log. We need quest, right? This is a quest. Let's call this quest. We need a lot of stuff here. Okay, so we got the quest. We got to add this quest to the quest log. So if we accept, then we close this. We add the quest to our quest log. And then we need a text here that says like, okay, well, this is the accept quest text. Okay, so that's that. Then we need another one. We're gonna call it sick robot quest text. Where what? You gotta collect like do like a text mesh pro here again. Say like 0 out of 5 berries collected. Right? Okay, that's good. So that'll be when you're on the quest. Okay, and then well, we can do like alternate. So like, we'll just call this quest text, whatever. All right. Berries needed in the text. Okay, so we got that. So this will be hidden until we get on the quest. Once you accept the quest, this will show up. You'll be on the quest, and then in inventory, we need inventory, right? We're going to be adding these berries. This is just a really rough way to make a game, but it's fine. This is just for. So we need to find the berries. Okay, all right, boop, boop, boop. So accept. So we'll say ba 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 ba. So when we click that accept button, we should get on the quest. So it should be like. I guess we could make like a bunch of different items for this quest or something. Should be a bool. Well, I'll just do this for this quest because it's like quest accepted, right? Or something. Do like a bool, true or false again. Maybe like a public bool on quest. Maybe on quest is equal to true or false. Right? So that means that we're on this quest, whatever that is. So if we're on, maybe it should be here. We'll just do it. Maybe we'll do it here. So quest log we got. Then add a quest. Click accept. Now we have a new mission. And then I need to write this down. I confuse myself sometimes. There's a nice little kid's paper here. Right? So push accept. Then we will be on the quest, which means that it's true that we're on the quest, which means that now we have that is active. So berry count is active. Okay, and if we need berries, we can't turn it in. But if we have all our berries, we can go back to that guy and we say quest complete will be true. Okay, and then we can turn it in. Alright, this is probably not the right way people do it, but I'm just gonna do it all in here. And it's one quest log thing, so I know with more quests it's probably gonna be a little bit different, but alright, so we'll just do it here. So we'll say public bool quest accepted. Alright, we'll do if the quest is accepted, then we'll do this on the quest text. We don't need a quest log, we only have one quest list. Quest accepted. Alright, say quest accepted equals true, false. Okay, so now when we click that, we can do that. So now an update if quest accepted. And we need a public bool quest complete. Right. If the quest is accepted, then we'll do like we'll do public game object berry count. We'll have that up. Say we'll do use game object quest text. Say this is quest text set active. We do true or false. Okay. So if quest accepted, then we'll do text mesh pro in this. Okay, we'll do a public text mesh pro berry count text berry count text is equal to, I need a berry count object do a public static int berry count, it's fine, equal to berry count out of 5, right? That's the max berries we need. What does it say here? berries collected. There's that. That'll be updating. Okay. So every time we pick up a berry, got that. I mean, that's in our inventory. Maybe we can do berry count text equals inventory dot berry count. Let's see, anyone type in? All of those questions, Saparshi Singha. Thanks for the compliment of my hair. I was gonna type it to you too. Thanks about the hair. This is just a prototype. I call it Robot Kyle in the Forest. It's tough to do. It's tough to think like this. Yeah, sometimes. I mean, it's definitely working my brain out, and I do play games. So all those questions, yes, yes, and yes. All right. Sorry about not being so active on there. Do my best. Thanks for all the likes, guys. Thanks for all the support. Let's just get this going. Okay, so sick robot quest text. So okay. So we're gonna do inventory here. That's what we're doing. Just get this going. All right. So in our inventory, we'll just do public static int berry count. We'll just do that. All right. So this is like a very messy way to make a game, but it's just literally one little prototype-ish thing made with a bunch of random assets. So I don't have berries yet, but we'll figure it out. All right. So the berry count, boom. All right, and then we'll do interact text. All right, now we can change the interact text if we want to. All right, so we got the inventory berry count, blah blah blah. So if we have the quest accepted, the berry count text will start changing. And if the quest is complete, if inventory berry count greater than or equal to 5, which is what we set this arbitrary number. You can make whatever you want. And we'll do that's the quest complete. Quest complete is true. Alright, so if quest is complete, then yeah, this is what we do now. So we cut this out. That's good. So we do a public void turn in quest. We do a bool. Wait. So if quest complete, then we turn in the quest. So, and then else. No, else return. So we'll just say, for now, we'll say print turning in quest. Alright, but really, that's not what we need. So it's just to fill it out so it doesn't all get stuff. So accept the quest. So let's just do that part first. So alright, let's see how this works. We'll put, what is this called? Quest. We'll put this on the game manager. It's fine. Okay, so we need berry count object, berry count text. Berry count text is inside of this. Berry count text, berry count object. Alright. So if we click this thing, this button, accept button, we'll do here, request, we'll do, where is it? Can we out of here? And that's just what we just gotta do is literally just turn this, just hard code this for now. Change this to that. Alright. That's all we can do for now. Because I'm not here wasting my time to get all this going. But request accepted. There we go. Alright, so then we'll just hide what. Where is that? We'll do another one. So where did it get activated? So we'll do public void. We'll do on click. We'll also do sick robot here. Do NPC. We'll do toggle quest text off. And then on the decline button, we'll just do sick robot NPC toggle quest text off. Alright. So let's see how this works so far. If we can. Everything's going. Alright, cool. Alright. Okay, so we're on our quest here. Alright, and if we do it again, still on our quest. So it should change what that says. So if we we're not on our quest. We're not on our quest. So if the quest is accepted, then we gotta change the quest text. So we'll just do like something maybe like this. Public void is quest. Public bool is quest accepted. Or public bool. Now let's do is quest accepted. We'll just return the value of quest accepted. So if we'll do this like turn this into a singleton. So the region singleton and region. Do a public static quest instance awake instance equals this. Alright, that should be good. Now we do like a update if quest instance is quest accepted, then quest text will equal this public name object default quest not accepted text to the public game object quest accepted text. I think that's what we're gonna do here. Let's do a quest not accepted text. So if it's accepted, we do that. I'll just do that. So it's default. Let's not confuse ourselves here. If it is accepted, we do that. Else quest text equal to quest not accepted text. Alright. So now we gotta make another one that says like you're currently on the quest. Something like that. So it'll be like something like that. Change to this. It's like I really need those berries. Please hurry. I think I might deactivate. Something like that. And you could say, change this, just have it say back. Okay. So now if the quest is accepted, that should work. Let's see. You put this on the quest. Now where's that NPC? On sick robot here. Alright, so not accepted text. And accepted text. Alright. Deactivate those for now. Let's see what happens. Okay, so now we're on it. Yep. Alright, cool. So he really needs those berries. He thinks he might deactivate. Alright, so now okay, else if we do this, and then else if quest.instance is quest complete. We have another one that says like quest text is equal to quest complete text. We do another one like this. Alright, I'll do one of these. Quest complete. Alright, so what it should do is, okay, if the quest is accepted, it'll give us that. Okay. And quest instance is not complete, so so if we're on the quest but it's not complete, it goes this. If it is complete, okay, that's what we need. Alright. Okay, so then we'll do that. Say one more. Do this one here. And set this up like thank you. You did that so fast. How can give me the berries quick? I don't know how much time I have left. Okay, then here do like instead of accept, it's like turn in. Is that already something that we have here? Turn in quest. It'll say turn in, or we'll be like back. Okay, so now call this sick robot complete quest actually or complete. Alright, and we'll just pop it on the sick robot here. Alright. So now let's see where we're at. Alright, we're here. Boo 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 boo. I need some berries to help settle my stomach. Sometimes robots have bad gas. Can you help me find some berries? I'll be indebted to you forever. Accept. Alright. So now we go on him. I really need those berries. So now let's just say quest is complete. Where are you at, robot Kyle? Oh, but the quest is complete. Maybe if we move this up. Could be a little order of operations issue we have here. Because the quest is complete. Really need those berries. Something's going on here. Let's see. Is there an issue here? So, the quest is accepted. It's true, and the quest is not complete. Let's just try this again. Let's just see what happens if the quest is complete. We get the quest complete text. Okay, so we got that. So if we have quest accepted and quest complete. Okay. So let's just start over from the beginning then. Let's see. I need you to help find berries. Okay, not complete. Now it's complete. Okay, that looks good. Looks like we got ourselves that. So, I mean, it's not hard. We can just get the berries here. Let's just make the berries really quick. So, say interactable bullet item. So, like what? It's interactable. Alright, so we interact. We got public override void interact. Alright, so with that base interact. Let's see, I'm sorry, I'll check this. Alright, everyone stop talking to me. Yeah, play Valorant sometimes. Thanks for messaging. Alright, we got a lot of people here on Twitch. It's great. A lot of people here on, what's it called? YouTube. Alright, so we want to private void pick up berry. I think all we need to do is just like inventory dot berry count plus plus. So then what we just do pick up berry. That's it. I mean, if I have other items, I would make a berry class for just for the berries, but For now, it's just items. So let's just do. Oh shit! Moving my camera. Okay. Right. We'll do a little sphere here. Shoot. 0, 0, 0. Okay. Find where you are, Barry. Okay. Bring it up. So like these berries here. Maybe they're big. They're big berries. So anyway, we duplicate this here. Get them visible. That's berries right there. And we'll just do like a. We'll take like all this. With the berries. Put all these here. Put them at 0, 0, 0. Okay. Let's move them around a little bit more again. Like that. We got this and this. Little berries. Bring them up. Let me scale them down a little bit. This is just for a game here. Put them down here. I'll make a big capsule collider here. Make it huge. One. Height. So weird. Let's just do this. Do this here. Berries will be. I'll just make it thinner. Making it taller so like the raycast will hit it. But it should still be a trigger or something. So now, oh, I didn't make them berries yet. Let's see. Boom. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright, interact with the berries. So now, the berry count should go up. Let's do like a, pick a berry, you do like a destroy this game object. So it should just, my phone is vibrating. Something's going on. No timer. Alright, let's get this done here. Alright, so now we have berries. So let's see if that counts for our quest. Accept. Alright. 1 out of 5 berries collected. Alright. So now let's just do a couple more of those. 3, 4. Alright, let's move them around a little bit. Got some berries here. Berries over here. Berries over here. And berries over here. Alright. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Put these berries. Alright. Got 3, 4. 5. So now the quest should be complete. We should be able to go here. Oh, it's just should have turned this interact text off. That's fine. Okay, yeah. So we turn it in. We get the what was it? Turning quest. Alright, cool. So we'll do like if quest is complete, then we do like a berry count text. berry count object set active equals false. Yeah, that should be it, right? And the request is turned in. Can't do it again anymore. Okay, let's see. Clear that a little bit. Mm-hmm. 4 out of 5. 5 out of 5. Here we go. The berries. Where's our guy? There he is. Sick boy. Sick bot. Come on, sick bot. Thank you. There we go. So now it's a I'll just do like what? Public bool quest turned in. I'll just do like a public bool is quest turned in. And we'll just return quest turned in. Okay. We'll set this to quest turned in. If it's true, no. Alright. Else if quest instance is quest turned in. It'll be like just say sick robot eats the berries. Yeah, that's good. Test that out. I'm not gonna go back collecting all the berries again. We know it works. It's the whole part. So poop accept. Still works. Okay, anything I really please I don't want to deactivate. Okay, now let's turn in, let's do quest complete. Turn it in. What does it say? Nothing. The quest is turned in. Now it's gonna be quest complete. Quest turned in, alright. I don't want to come up with the quest not turned in. Alright. Let's pop that there. It's this order of operations again. Let's see. Alright, so we got the accept the quest. Quest complete. Got the 5 berries, alright. Quest turned in. That is not doing anything. Well, I think we got a good amount going on here. Got ourselves a little RPG style thing. You can always add the animations later or whatever. A lot of videos of that. You can watch my videos on YouTube. Adding animations, and we got the inventory going. The quest works. It's collecting quests, of course. And do combat quest if we wanted to another time. So we got that. Quest is complete, so we can turn it in, and now Shouldn't be able to talk to him anymore, but it's fine. It's okay. It's okay. It shouldn't work, but it's okay. I mean, we're pretty good. We did probably about an hour and a half of this game. Got ourselves something going. Little RPG. That if we spend a little bit longer, we could probably have full working game by the end of the week. But not this one. I mean, this one seems like it could be fun. I do want to make an RPG, but if you guys want to mess with this, you guys have the assets available to you. They're free. Any questions, come join my Discord. You can message me, message the people there. Everyone's good. A growing community. Come check me out on Twitch if you're not watching on Twitch, if you're watching on YouTube, whatever, vice versa. The links are all down there. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. And I'll probably be streaming games on Twitch in a little bit, so come check me out there. Thank you so much. Bye.